Here's why AI will take your business to the next level. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate different AI systems that I've been paid thousands of dollars for to use in your business as well. So, more specifically, I'm going to cover the key goals of using AI in your business, why you'll suffer without it, the outdated strategies you may be using right now, some common pain points, then how to actually use AI in your business to address these pain points and outdated strategies and show off plenty of use cases, whether that's using AI in human resources, custom service, marketing and lead generation, sales, or even operations. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and you are looking for help, I invite you to book a call with me. It's completely free. And as an AI automation consultant, I will analyze your current bottlenecks, develop bespoke solutions tailored towards your needs, and implement these systems to enhance efficiency and drive growth. Click the link in the description to schedule that consultation. So, real quick, I wanted to just showcase some of the AI use cases across industries and some of the companies that I've actually worked for. So, this is just a payment from the most recent company that I closed. So, this is a solar company, and I'll get into that in a second. But essentially, from number one is law firms. So, this is what I used to niche in. And basically, I just implemented systems to handle intakes, automatically notify clients of new court dates, automate their invoice process. There's so much that you can do within law firms. And I actually created a video that goes into some of the systems that I specifically built out for a particular law firm. And I highly recommend you go check that out. I'll link that up below. And that just kind of dives into more specifics of the use cases and the exact systems that I implemented for them. Now, for number two, for solar companies, so there's actually a solar company I'm working with right now. And essentially, I'm trying to modernize their lead generation process. So one, I want to get them more leads. Two, I want to get these leads online. So why I say we're trying to get these leads online is because they're currently going door to door and just cold calling to get their leads right now. So essentially, we're just trying to modernize their process. And we're doing this through smart lead magnets. So I also created a video for that, and I'll link that also up below. But essentially, we just created smart lead magnets where we're just getting the information from the lead, like their name, email, phone number, their business's pain points, so that it's easier for the salesperson to actually close them once they're talking to them or outreaching to them, whatever means. Number three is just tattoo shops and some more miscellaneous businesses. So what we've done here is we're implementing AI voice assistants. So we're handling inbound phone calls, we're automating onboarding, and we're doing so much more. So now I want to talk about why AI is here for your convenience. So you've definitely heard of ChatGPT. There's other free LLMs out there like Claude, Perplexity. These are also free. And while all these tools do offer, upgraded or upsells to paid plans, which just give you more benefits and all that, just start using the free plans. It's all here for you to capitalize on. You can do so much within them. If you're just starting small, and whether it's just, responding to one email or responding to hundreds of emails, it's all here for you to use. And all you have to do is just, take advantage of it and just actually grasp it. So some of the things that you can use AI to help you with is lead generation, lead qualification, lead nurturing. So some things that come to mind is chatbots. So customer service and support is another thing that coincides with chatbots. But essentially, you can use data analysis and gain insights from AI. You can use process automation, where you're just automating or streamlining your onboarding, your invoices, reviews, all of that. And last but not least, marketing or content creation. So just automatically uploading TikToks, Instagram Reels, whatever. So I wanted to show you this automation that I built out. Essentially, this is my Slack channel, or my company Slack channel. And essentially, whenever I have a meeting, so I have a tool called Fireflies. I highly recommend you go check that out. I also created a YouTube video that goes in depth about this automation and how useful it actually is. But essentially, it's just giving me everything that happened on the call. So it's giving me actionable insights to take after the call, and a summary of the call. So that's just one quick example of why AI is here for your convenience as a business. So potential time and cost savings are immense. So some companies are literally saving over $100,000 annually through AI efficiencies alone. So now is the time to get ahead and distance yourself from the competitors by adopting this AI. So next in this guide to AI implementation, I wanted to cover some of the key goals. So starting off with the first one, we want to boost revenue and cut costs. So we increase revenue while reducing your workload and operational expense. Number two is fuel lead generation and conversion. So this also goes hand in hand with boosting revenue. cutting costs a little bit. But essentially, we're just improving the lead generation process and conversion to drive rapid growth. Number three is we're leveraging AI for growth. This is ultimately what we want to do. We want to use AI automations, just these AI infrastructures and systems to grow your business. So we automate repetitive tasks to free your team or just yourself for higher value work. So maybe you don't have to spend all this time on emails. So you can now focus on client facing stuff or actually bringing on more employees, or not employees, I'm sorry, clients. And number four is just gaining a competitive advantage. So to basically use AI strategically to stay ahead of the curve. So your competitors are probably already using these systems and AI. So their processes are more efficient. So why aren't yours? Next, let's go ahead and talk about why you can't ignore AI. Number one is don't fall behind. So businesses that don't use AI are losing ground to more tech savvy competitors, like I just mentioned. Don't let your company get left behind. Number two, unlock growth potential. So AI can provide insights, streamline operations, and drive growth. Neglecting it just means missing out on your company's full potential. Number three is act now or fall behind. So the window of opportunity, it really is closing fast, guys. Embrace the AI advantage before your competitors do and watch your business soar. So number four is AI is the future. So AI is becoming more common across all industries. So adopting it now will just keep your business ahead of the curve. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the outdated strategies that you might relate to. So number one is marketing and sales. So let's say you have lead generation, content creation, sales processes. These are all not automated or streamlined, or you just don't have efficient systems in place. And these are some of the low-hanging fruits that you can address to, actually save yourself some time. Now, number two is operational efficiency. So this is where it gets into a little bit more of the robust systems and the nitty-gritty. So this just includes service delivery, project management, onboarding, document management. But it is to say all these things can use AI within all of them and automate some of these systems. And lastly, it's customer service. So response handling, customer support, nurture process, and follow-ups. There's hundreds of AI automation use cases across each of these departments, collectively worth millions in efficiency gains, added revenue, and time saved. While your company may not need to optimize all systems, you can't ever be too efficient. So with that being said, let's move on to this next part. And I just wanted to mention to take advantage of our free AI audit to just identify key areas where your business can benefit from AI implementation. So this is where we'll analyze your current processes and recommended tailored AI solutions to boost efficiency and growth within your company. So you can find the link down for that below. Now let's talk about some of the common business pain points that you might be facing yourself. So number one is dozens of manual actions daily. So you're sending emails, you're following up calls, you're taking all these appointment reminders or doing these appointment reminders yourself. You're setting up team meetings all the time, data logging, and more just consume your day. So the success of your company depends on all these manual inputs. Number two is fragmented communication. So your team communication is scattered across various channels with no centralized system. So customer inquiries coming in through multiple platforms, just making it difficult to track and respond efficiently. Number three is inadequate customer support. So challenges in consistently gathering customer feedback, managing complaints, and providing timely responses to inquiries. And last but not least is poor data management, where you have these important metrics tracked inconsistently with data scattered across different systems. And you just have limited ability to derive actionable insights from your collected data. So I'm sure you can agree with at least one of these points or relate to one of them, I should say. Now, let's go ahead and address some of these points. So, with Business 2.0, where you're leveraging AI and automation, so this is where you're just saving time, cutting costs, increasing efficiencies by streamlining your operations, improving accuracy by just using robots to do the work for you, and ultimately growing your business. So, ultimate goal is to make more while working less and scale your output and revenue. So, now we're going to explore how these can actually help transform some of these operations that we just identified. So number one is data analysis and reporting. So these AI-powered data analysis can provide deeper insights into customer behavior, market trends, and operational efficiency. So businesses not utilizing AI for data analysis, they're missing out on actual insights that can drive growth. Number two is customer service. So AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can handle inquiries 24/7, just improving response times and customer satisfaction. So without AI, businesses risk slow response times and increased customer dissatisfaction. So you could be missing out on leads. You could be missing out on closing some of those leads by just not responding right away. Number three is marketing and sales. So AI can automate and personalize marketing campaigns, increasing engagement and ROI. So it can also streamline sales processes from initial contact to closing deals. And for number two of this, companies not using AI in marketing and sales are likely spending more and getting less in return with longer sales cycles and lower close rates. Number four is operational efficiency. So AI can optimize your workflows, automating routine tasks, and improve project management, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Failing to implement AI in operations can result in inefficiencies, just higher operational costs and lower productivity. Now, let's move on to AI powered customer service. So, this is one of the use cases that I wanted to show off. So, one of the key benefits of AI powered customer service is 24/7 availability. So, these AI chatbots and virtual assistants can provide instant responses, like we covered earlier, to your customer inquiries at any time of the day, ensuring your customers are always supported. Number two is personalized interactions. So, you you can have AI analyze customer data to offer personalized recommendations and solutions, just enhancing the customer experience and increasing satisfaction overall. Number three is efficient query resolution. So you can automate the handling of routine queries and frequently asked questions, just reducing the workload on human agents and speeding up response times. And last for this point is number four, which is voice AI assistants. So essentially just implementing voice AI assistants that can handle inbound calls, answer questions, and even book appointments, just providing a seamless, efficient customer experience. So you want to utilize voice AI for outbound calls as well to conduct sales calls, follow-ups, and even close deals, significantly increasing productivity and conversion rates. So I created a video on how to build one of these using SynthFlow. So I'll link that up below as well. So let's go ahead and move on to the next use case, which is AI-powered human resources management. So let's look at one of these processes and take it from there. So streamlining HR processes, it's essential for maintaining a productive and engaged workforce. So AI can revolutionize AHR management by just automating routine tasks, providing deeper insights into employee performance and satisfaction. So here's exactly how it can do it. So number one is automated recruitment. So AI can screen resumes, it can identify top candidates and schedule interviews, based on your selection and your standards of what candidates you're looking for. So this can significantly reduce the time and effort required for recruitment. So just use AI to analyze candidate data and predict job performance and cultural fit. Number two is employee onboarding. So once you actually automate the recruitment and you get your employee, you can implement AI to automate the onboarding process and just do it all for you. So you're providing new hires with necessary information and training materials, moving on to new stages automatically after completion of each one, and automating notifications to the respective parties. So these internal chatbot assistants can also do things like answer common onboarding questions and guide new employees through their first days. Number three is performance management, where you're using AI to monitor employee performance and provide real-time feedback based on data from various sources, such as project management tools and communication platforms. AI can identify patterns and trends in employee performance, just helping managers address issues proactively. So you can also do things like record your meetings and store the recordings for future reference. So as I pointed out earlier, the Fireflies tool that I included in my company channel. So you're just using AI to analyze the meeting recordings, summarize key points, identify actionable items, and you could also do things like determine if employees or sales teams were performing optimally. So AI can score employees' performance during meetings and provide insights for improvement. Now, number four is employee engagement. So AI can analyze employee feedback and sentiment, just identifying areas where engagement can be improved. So you can use AI-driven surveys and sentiment analysis to gauge employee satisfaction and develop targeted engagement strategies. Now let's move on to the next use case, which is AI in marketing and lead generation. So getting your AI eyeballs on your company and service is crucial. So social media is just a powerful tool for brand awareness, but many businesses struggle with content creation and consistency. So AI can help with this. So I created videos on all these different things, one being AI-powered content creation, So essentially, you can use AI tools to generate ideas, write copy for you, and even create visuals for your social media posts. So I highly recommend you go check out that video. But essentially, what I'm talking about here is, so I have a system for LinkedIn. So every time I want to create a post, so Monday post, Tuesday post, Wednesday post, all I do is I enter an idea, and you can, there's all these different qualifications like the name, text idea, but essentially you could just run these posts on autopilot. So if I check mark autopilot right here, it'll write a post for me, and then it'll then go into the drafted to review section, and I'll have that post ready, and I could drag it into ready to post. So one of the coolest automations I've ever built out was this content engine, and I highly recommend you go check out that video. I'll link it up above. But next up, let's talk about 24/7 AI lead qualification chatbots. But you can implement an AI chatbot on your website or even on Instagram to qualify leads and schedule appointments around the clock. And next is AI-driven customer segmentation. So you can use AI to analyze customer data and create highly targeted marketing campaigns. So I also created a video using Clay and just qualifying and scoring my leads. So I highly recommend you go check that out. Link that up above as well. And let's go ahead and move on to the next use case, which is AI-powered sales optimization. So basically just turning interest into closed deals. It's the lifeblood of any business. AI can significantly enhance your sales processes by doing one of many things, which being AI lead scoring. So using AI to match your leads against your ideal customer profile. So this kind of coincides with using Clay in this video that I showed off right here. So please go check that out. It'll definitely help, help you decide what leads are best for you. And number two is predictive sales forecasting, where you're just leveraging AI to analyze historical data and predict future sales trends with greater accuracy. Number three is personalized sales outreach, where you're using AI to craft personalized email templates and recommended the best times to contract prospects. Number four is automated follow-ups, where you're just implementing AI-powered systems to automate follow-up sequences and nurture leads through the sales funnel. So now let's talk about AI for operational excellence. So delivering your product or service efficiently, it's crucial for customer satisfaction and scalability. So AI can streamline your operations by doing things like process automation, where you're just essentially using AI to automate routine tasks like contract generation, CRM updates, and collecting testimonials. Number two is intelligent resource allocation, where AI just analyzes workloads and automatically assigns tasks to the most suitable team members. Number three, predictive maintenance, where for business with physical assets, AI can predict when maintenance is needed to prevent costly breakdowns. And number four is customer support automation, where you can implement AI chatbots to handle common customer inquiries, provide the instant responses, and improve customer satisfaction. So, implementing these AI solutions into your operations can lead to significant time and cost savings while improving overall efficiency and scalability. So lastly, I just wanted to mention to capitalize on the accessibility of AI. So AI is here, and businesses that fail to adapt risk being left behind. So by implementing AI across your operations, from data analysis and strategy development to marketing, sales, and even service delivery, you can dramatically increase efficiency, cut costs, and drive growth. So thank you for watching. I hope you now have a better understanding of how AI can take your business to the next level, from automating repetitive tasks to enhancing customer service and boosting productivity. AI is just a game changer for businesses across all industries. So if you're ready to implement these powerful AI and automation systems in your business and you want help, book a call with me today to get a personalized analysis of your business's bottlenecks and discover the bespoke AI solutions tailored specifically to your needs. So together we'll develop and implement systems that will not only enhance your efficiency, but also drive substantial growth for your business. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping to take your business to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video.